Welcome to Cornerstone Discovery. Please share, like, and subscribe. Anapanas Meditation. Now let us practice Anapanas. Practice Anapana. Sit comfortably in any posture that suits you. Keep your back and your neck straight. Keep your eyes gently closed. Those of you with spectacles should take off their spectacles during meditation period. Keep your mouth gently closed and focus your entire attention on the area at the entrance of the nostrils. The area at the entrance of the nostrils. And remain aware of every breath coming in, every breath going out, natural breath, normal breath as it is. If it is long, it is long. If it is short, it is short. Passing through left nostril, passing through right nostril, or through both the nostrils. Just remain aware. Do nothing. Just remain aware, alert, attentive, vigilant. Just remain alert, attentive, vigilant, alert, attentive, vigilant. Just remain alert, attentive, vigilant. Constantly aware of the breath, the incoming breath, the outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath. Keep your attention steadfastly fixed on this area. The entrance of the nostrils. Like a gatekeeper, like a watchman, aware of every breath entering the nostrils, aware of every breath moving out of the nostrils, alert, attentive, vigilant, incoming breath, outgoing breath, natural breath, pure breath, nothing but breath. Bhavatu sab, mangalam bhavatu sab, mangalam good. Be happy. Be happy.